Hello everyone. Now we will see question number 4 of exercise 4.3. So the question is construct three equations starting with x equal to 2. Now in previous videos and previous exercises what we have seen, we were doing solution and equation was given to us. Okay, so equation was given and we were finding solution. So equation to solution. Now here solution is given. X equal to 2 means the value of the variable is given, means solution is given, and we have to find out equation. Okay, so now we will do reverse path. So we have to do reverse part. Up till now equations were given and we were solving it and we were finding out the value of the variable. But here already the value is given and we will construct equation. So how to do this? So here the value is x equal to 2. So we have to start with the value what is given to us. So x equal to 2 is given to us. And now we have to make equation. So x equal to 2 is given. Now this is the value. Now for making equations we will do certain steps. But whatever steps you will do, that you have to do on both the sides. Okay, you will do on both the sides. Now here you can take any step whichever you like. For example, you can take multiplying by 5 on both the sides. Whatever steps you are doing, you will do on both sides. LHS part also and RHS part also. दोनों तरफ आपको करना है because we are making equation. So you can do multiplying by 5 on both the sides, or adding 4 on both the sides, or dividing by 5 on both the sides. Means here you can take any step, any mathematical operations, and you can take any number. Okay, so constructing equation is very easy. Okay, you can take any step, whether you want to add something on both sides, you can add. If you want, you can subtract on both the sides. If you want, you can multiply on both the sides. If you want, you can divide on both the sides. So it depends on you what steps you want to take. Now suppose here I am taking step multiplying by 5 on both the sides. I am taking first step multiplying by 5 on both the sides. First I am multiplying by 5 on both the sides. So x equal to 2 was given. Okay, so both side I will multiply by 5. So here it will be 5x and here it will be 5 to the 10. So 5x equal to 10. Now this is our equation. Okay, now if you want to do one more step, suppose if I want to do adding 1 on both the sides, or adding whatever number you like, adding 5 on both the sides, adding 2 on both the sides, you can do one more steps. Okay, adding 1 on both the sides, so it will be 5x plus 1, and this side 10 plus 1 means 11. So that again you can do one more step and you will get equation. So you can do steps as per your wish, and whatever you get, that is called equation. So here this one equation I have got, I have done multiply by 5. I have done only one step. If you wish, you can do two step also. So we will construct three equations. Okay, as the question is given, three equations we will do. So this is first. Now again the value is 2. Now I will do some other steps. Suppose I am doing dividing by 5, or whatever you like. For example, if you take, or you can take adding 4 on both the sides. You can do adding 4 on both the sides. So this side it will be x plus 4, and this side 2 plus 4. So 2 plus 4 will be 6. So you will get this equation. Okay, so this is one equation, this is second equation. Now third, again x equal to 2 is given. Now I am doing divide. So I am dividing both the sides by 10, or you can take any number. I have taken 10, dividing both the sides by 10. So here it was x and here it was 2. So here I will write upon 10, here also I will write upon 10. So here x upon 10, you can't do any further steps, but here cancellation is possible. 2 1s and 2 5s. So this side x upon 10 and this side 1 upon 5. So this is your equation. Are you getting? So value is given, and for constructing equation you can do any steps whichever you like. So this was A part. Now moving ahead with B part. So question 4b is construct three equations starting with x equal to -2. Now the value is given x equal to -2. So we will start with this. Okay, so starting with x equal to -2. So this value is given to us. Now we will make equation. We will construct equation with the help of this. So again, you can take whatever steps you like, but that steps you will do on both the sides. So here, now I'm taking step adding 1. Okay, adding 1 on both the sides. I am doing adding 1 on both the sides. Okay, so this side x was there, it will be x plus 1. This side -2 was there, so it will be -2 plus 1. So here x plus 1, here -2 plus 1 will be -1. So this what you get, this is called equation. This is called equation. Now if you solve this, the answer will be definitely -2 because we have done steps on both the sides. So the equation is balanced. Now suppose in the same value, now this is one equation I have got. Now second equation x equal to -2. Now here I want to take more than one steps. So that also you can take. Now first step I want to take is multiplying by 3. Let us take 3. So multiply by 3 on both the sides. Now I am multiplying by 3. You can take any number. I have taken 3 and I have chosen multiplication. You can choose any mathematical operation and any number. So I am doing multiplying by 3 on both the sides. So here x was there and here -2 was there. I am multiplying by 3. So here 3x and here -2 into 3 will be there. Sorry, -2 into 3. So this side 3x and this side -6. Okay. So I got 3x equal to -6. Now I want to do one more step. This was my step 1. Now I want to do one more step. So now second step I am doing is I am adding 10 on both the sides. Now in this again I want to take one more step. Okay, so I am adding 10 on both the sides. So here 3x was there and here -6 was there. So plus 10 here also and plus 10 here also. So this side no change, 3x plus 10, and this side -6 plus 10 will give you 4. So this what you are getting is our second equation. So this was first. I have done only one step and here I have done 2 steps. So it depends on you. Again, if you want to continue with some third step, divide by 5, you can do it. So this is our equation. Now third equation, I hope you understood. So third equation you can make on your own. You can either choose, now again the value is x equal to -2. Now I want to do subtraction. So I will subtract. What we will subtract? Any number you can take. So subtracting 8 from both the sides. So from both the sides now I will subtract 8. So my equation is, sorry, my value is x equal to -2. Now I am subtracting 8. So here also I will write -8. Here also I will write -8. So here no change, x minus 8 as it is, and this side -2 and -8. So it will be -10. So this is my third equation. I have done subtracting 8 from both the sides. Now if you want to take step 2 in this, you can do that also. It totally depends on you. You can choose your own steps. You can choose your own number, whatever you want to add, subtract, multiply or divide. But only remember that whatever step you do, that should be done on both the sides. LHS part also and RHS part also. So this was question number 4 of exercise 4.3.